Okay, welcome to today's video. In today's video I will show you how to remove an image background, then how to make a slant image straight, and finally how to change the background of any image. Well, I have videos on this already, but I'm creating this new video to show you a way you can do it stress-free, okay, to save your time and energy. Now what we have to do, we'll come to this website, remove.bg. Yeah, we used it last time, so remove.bg, that's what we are still using. You come over to upload image button and upload your image. I've already uploaded my image, so once you upload your image, you will see something like this. Automatically removes the background. So if you want only background removal, you can just come over to download and you download it to your PC. But now I want to change the background and make the picture, because if you see it, it's kind of slanty, and if you change the background it will be easily noticeable, you get. So I want to make this picture straightened, so I'll have to do that in another website called onlineimageeditor.com. So note the dashes between online and image and editor. So once you put that, it brings you here. You have to upload your image, so I'm just going to upload my image. So I've uploaded the image, I'm waiting for it to come up. Wait for it. So you can either upload your image that you've already removed the background, or you upload the image you want to change the background first before uploading it to remove.bg to remove the background, which is the way I'll be doing now. So I'll upload that first image, which is the original of the image in remove.bg just now. So this is the original photo. Let me reduce the size. So this is the original image. Now I want to crop it and arrange it well. So first I want to reduce the angle, change the rotation angle. So you come over to rotate flip. Once you come over to rotate flip, this dialog will open. Then you can either use all these parameters here, you can either use all these tools here, but I prefer to use this angle sign, because my if you notice in the picture, it slants to the left, so I need to rearrange it to the right. So I have to change the angle, and in this case you can just experiment. You can be changing the angle little by little. So since I already know the angle I want to use, I want to rotate it 12 degree to the right. Yeah, 12 degrees to the right. So I'm waiting for it. Then after that I will crop the image. Okay, perfect. So I've rotated the image. You can see it's straightened already. Now I want to crop the image, crop it. So you come to crop. This is the crop tool here. So you come to crop. You can customize your cropping here, the width and the height, and apply. But I'm going to use the I will use the box that it will show me now. So I'm using this box. Sorry. Using the box to customize it. Okay, I'm through with arranging my cropping tool. So what I just do is I come over here and click apply, and it will crop the image for me. So the image has been cropped perfectly. So this is the image I will upload now to remove.bg. So I have to save the image, save to local, then OK. It automatically saves. Then I'll go back to remove.bg and upload the image. Just look at this one, I've already cancelled this. I'll upload the image. Okay, so I've uploaded the image. This is the image that has removed the background for me automatically. This is original and this is the removed background. So I want to change the background now. So I'll come over to edit. When you come over to edit, you can see multiple backgrounds for you to change it with. If I select this, let's see how it looks like. What's happening? So this is how it looks like. So it might not be beautiful, so you can use blur. You can blur the background. You understand? Blur the background. Can you see? So you can choose anyone here. I think I should choose this. So once you choose this, you can change the blur, maybe to put it with this second one or this third one, which one you love. So I love the second one, so I'm leaving it at the second one. So you have finally changed the background of an image. You can use it to change the background of your pictures and any other image. Thanks for watching. So the next thing you have to do is just to download your work. Download your work and it will save. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos coming up every week. Download your image, save your file, and view. So this is the preview. You can see how it is. So you can practice with your pictures like I said. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell. Thanks for watching once again, and bye.